So it's time to put your VoiceThread together. This is very easy. If you have done all your research and writing and downloaded all your images, then it's just a matter of putting the pieces together in VoiceThread to create your final product. So one person from each team is going to create the VoiceThread and share it with the other. It's important that only one person do this so that you don't end up working in separate VoiceThreads. So the person who's creating it is going to sign in and go to VoiceThread and click on the Create pencil here. Once you're in this screen, your only option is to add media, so click the green plus, then choose My Computer. And you are going to browse over to your Downloads folder. So find your student ID number here on the left, then click on the Downloads folder, and the images you downloaded should be in there. They probably are going to be in a list view where you will have just the file names, but if you'd like to see the pictures themselves, you can change the view over here with more options. So if you click on this drop-down arrow and choose either small, medium, or large icons, you'll be able to see the images themselves along with the file names. So find the picture you want to use for your introduction slide. This is the slide that introduces your topic, gives the context sentences, and includes your claims. Click on that picture and then choose Open. It's going to prompt you to fill in some information, so make the title of your VoiceThread your topic. Make your description your names, so use first names and last initials only. And then for tags, put the core number that you have for language arts. So if you're in core 1, then you put core 1 and save. And now your VoiceThread is ready to be worked on and shared with your partner. So to share it with your partner, you're going to click the share button here. You'll have the share dialog box. You'll go over to your group name, which is your team, and you'll expand the member list by clicking on the down arrow. Find your partner's name in the list, and you're going to click on that person, and then you're going to have three options: view, edit, and comment. You want to make sure that your partner is able to edit the VoiceThread, and right now that choice is not lit up. So click edit, and the green pencil should turn green. Make sure it stays green, and then click the share button. When you have the green check mark, your partner now has access to the VoiceThread and is able to edit it. They can log into VoiceThread and they will see the VoiceThread there ready to be edited. If they're already logged in, they can just refresh the browser and they should see the VoiceThread on their list. So now all the writing that you've done in your notes page is going to become comments around the images that you choose. And so it's going to be all copying and pasting from writing that you've already done if everything has been polished off. So here's how you add comments to your images. I told you that this first picture is going to be your introduction slide. So you'll choose the picture and click on comment, and then the picture will become full screen. In order to add comments, there's a little plus right here down in the middle of the picture down at the bottom, a speech bubble with a plus, and that's where you add your comments. So click the plus. And we're going to choose ABC. We're going to do typed comments. And when you click on that, you're going to get a text box where you have type a comment below. So you need to have your argument notes open in another tab so that you can be ready to pull all of that information out. So your first comment box is going to be your topic introduction. And that's going to be where you introduce the topic. And give your context sentences. So I'm just going to give a brief introduction here of the book, but you'll have more writing that you'll do. And you'll click save, and that will become your first comment. Notice you have a bar down here now that looks like a play bar. And that's exactly what it is. If you click play, I have my avatar, and my comment appears here. So now we want to add the additional comments. So each idea is going to be a separate comment. So we would click on the plus and do another comment, and I'm going to go back here and I will add my claim statement. So I will copy my claim statement. So I'll highlight it and copy, come back to VoiceThread and paste it and click save. Now you notice that I have two comments that are down here, right? So the first one is my introduction, and the next one is my claim statement. And your partner will come on here and also have a claim statement. So then when we add a new comment, you'll have three comments on this one. and you'll save that comment. And so you'll have two different avatars over here. Should the comments get mixed up, since you're both putting them in at different times, you can just drag around the order. And so you'll have your introduction, you'll have your claim statement for, and your claim statement against. And this first slide is done. So now you can go back to edit. So click on the hamburger up here next to your title and go back to edit, and you have your canvas and you're ready for more pictures. So you click on add, and you and your partner will now both be adding pictures for your reasons. So back to add media, back to my computer, and you will find the next picture. Open that up, and it will add your picture to the canvas. Now you and your partner can do this as you work. At the end, you'll be able to drag the pictures around. So just get everything up there, and then you can fix the order of the pictures based on the storyboard later. So now we're going to add the comments to go with my first reason. So this is the picture I've chosen for that. I go back to comment. I'm going to go to my second slide, which is of the sun, and I'm going to click the plus, get a comment, and I'll go back to my notes. And here I'm going to copy my reason into the box and save. I'm going to get a new comment. And my paragraph here is pretty large, so I'm going to pick a breaking point here in the middle between my example and my expert's opinion. So I'll take the first half and make a comment out of that. And I'll do another one and get my second half and paste that in. And now the reason and evidence for my first reason is all finished. And I will go back and complete this. And so you can see now if I click play, it'll go down the bar here. It will automatically keep your comment on the screen for as long as it thinks it needs somebody to read it. When you and your partner are all finished, you'll come back to the canvas, get everything in order how you want it, make sure everything is in the correct place, check it against the storyboard, and then you're ready to turn it in when you're done. So once you are complete, one of you will come back to the edit screen, go to the share button, find your team in the group list, and instead of clicking on members, you'll just click on the name of the team to highlight the entire box. And you're going to allow them to view, and then maybe also to comment. Do not give edit access to the entire team. And when you share that, you will have turned in your VoiceThread to the entire team. Your teacher will be able to see it, as will all of your classmates.